I love baking cookies. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are doing just that, taking peanut butter and baking our yummy peanut butter cookies. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and set aside. Pour peanut butter into the bowl of a stand mixer. Make sure to get all of the delicious peanut butter into the bowl. Add butter too. Using the whisk attachment, whisk butter into peanut butter. If needed, scrape bowl with a spatula. Continue whisking until smooth. You want the mixture to look like this. Take a second to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. View our YouTube channel for other baked dessert recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe and click notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Pour in sugar and brown sugar. Whisk. Scraping bowl if needed. Continue whisking until fluffy. Crack. And beat eggs. Pour eggs into bowl, along with vanilla extract. Whisk until combined. What cookies do you like to bake? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Sift flour into a large bowl. Sift baking powder, baking soda, and salt too. Add dry ingredients to the peanut butter mixture and whisk. Add half a cup at a time. Whisk and repeat. If needed, scrape sides of the bowl and whisk until combined. If you have enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Using a tablespoon in your hands, shape cookie dough into balls. Repeat until you have shaped all of the dough. Place rolled dough on the prepared sheet pan. Using the back of a spoon or your fingers, flatten dough slightly. Press a fork into each cookie, creating a crisscross pattern. Bake 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly browned. Carefully transfer cookies to a wire rack to cool. Peanut butter deliciousness in every bite. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.